Ultrasonic thickness gauge and NOVOTEST UT-1M is used for operational non-destructive testing of the thickness of products with one-way access. At the moment, this method is the most common in the world for solving such tasks. Engineered for precision and reliability, the UT-1M provides accurate thickness measurements for metals, plastics, and composites. With advanced technology, it delivers instant results with unmatched accuracy, making it ideal for industrial use. With seamless mobile connectivity, you can instantly transfer data and generate reports right from the field. Share your reports instantly with colleagues or clients through email or cloud storage, making collaboration easier than ever. Engineered for precision and reliability, the UT-1M provides accurate thickness measurements for metals, plastics, and composites. With advanced technology, it delivers instant results with unmatched accuracy, making it ideal for industrial use. The UT-M is user-friendly design, ensures quick setup and easy operation, perfect for both in-lab and on-site inspections. Available exclusively through Aerica Engineering, your trusted partner of NOVOTEST in India. Experience the next level of non-destructive testing. Contact us today for more information.